Hello, this is Rick Powers coming from my home office for Western Technical College, Introduction to Week number 10 for Math with Business Applications. So this week I've decided to take out the 2 homework assignments that were originally scheduled, just because we're doing online learning instead of in-person learning. It just gives us a little bit more of a margin of a little space to work with. Specifically, that I want to focus on having you do the practice exam and the mastery exam to actually do some of the graphing that needs to be done for those things, and some of the more complicated mathematical formulas, especially for the standard deviation, just to give you enough time to do those things on the show your work part of the mastery exam, to make sure that that works. I did also want to mention the empirical rule, where we talk about where data is located, that's actually the process by which people, when they take surveys, they have a margin of error. This being a political season, right? That if you take, for example, a survey of, let's say, 500 people, on a yes or no question, who do you support? Do you support this candidate? That there would be somewhere around a 4% margin of error in this. When you do a sample like that, you're not going to get the same number every time, and you're picking people at random from the population. You're not going to get the exact number, but mathematically you can determine how much you would expect for a survey given the numbers of people that you have taking the survey. So that's just one of the examples of how the empirical rule actually works. I do recommend that all of you take a statistics course in order to understand that in more detail. But yeah, that's all. No homework this week. Just taking the quiz, the practice quiz and the mastery quiz. So best wishes for this week.